Chapter 172, Desirability of Supplications During the Journey. Hadith 980. Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, 3 supplications are answered without doubt. The supplication of the oppressed, the supplication of the traveler, and the supplication of the parent for his son at Tirmidhi and Abu Dawood.
Right. Here, the supplications of the Prophet ﷺ, he had specified, they are not just the only supplications, but there are more emphasis on them. They will be responded to, whether spontaneously, instantly, or it will be kept for them. And now this supplication, is it the person himself for himself, or he could use that for other people? Meaning, first one, it says da'watul madloom, person who is being under oppression. Madloom, is being wronged. So somebody had wronged him. So the hadith says that his supplication regarding his dhulm, regarding that person who had made dhulm upon him, then this person's dua will be responded because he's under dhulm. But does it mean that if he's under dhulm, I am a third party who's got nothing to do with this issue? Please, brother, because you're under dhulm, make dua for me to get a wife. Do you understand me? There's no link here. Okay, this madloom is going to make dua for himself regarding that dhalim. But it's not for me to pick up the madloom to go and say to him, please make dua for me that I will succeed in my exam. That's nothing to do with that. Otherwise, the companions would have done so. Coming to the dua of the musafir, traveler. If I want to talk about the dua al-madloom, it's a lecture in itself. Wallahi, it's a lecture. That's how Allah Azza wa Jalla responds to the dua of the madloom. And each person who has done dhulm upon somebody else, let him settle his account right now before the hereafter, because the currency in the hereafter is not money or gold. You can't just say, please take all my millions of the dunya. He can't go to the dunya. He wants your hasanat. If you don't have hasanat, he'll drop onto you sayyi'at. And then you'll drop in hell. So deal with this now before it is too late. Right now. If you have somebody wronged him, right now, after the class, or even leave the class and just go and, please forgive me, brother. I've done such and such for you. Please forgive me. Because as I said, this is the account that Allah Azza wa Jal will not deal with. He's not going to be interceding for that. He will not, because you've done dhulm upon that person. And that person, he has the right to take from you. Unless you wanted to settle your account, but somehow you died before that and you didn't have the means to do so. Then Allah Azza wa Jal will protect you. He will give hasanah to that person, but not on the expense of dropping you in hell. But if you had the opportunity to do that, then do it. And the Prophet ﷺ, he said, da'watul madloom yarfa'uha Allah fawqa al-ghamam. It's like above the cloud. Either he will give it straight response, or he will leave it for later on, or he will give him better for him in the hereafter. One of the 3. He has to get it.